Good morning, everyone. Hey, is this a little dark? Let's try to make that a little better. Ready? Set. What? Okay, so a little bit more light on the subject. Today, welcome to the podcast, or no, this isn't a podcast. I am not just doing audio on this. This is video. Right now, I'm shooting on my Yi Light, which is one of my fun free purchases from Amazon, and I'll do a vlog later or a post later on how I get free things from Amazon, so it's kind of fun and neat. But anyway, with this, today I'm just going to go for a walk. It's about 3 miles from my tiny apartment in West Palm Beach to the beach at Palm Beach. So cross a bridge, down some roads, around the corner, and eventually I'm going to end up at the beach. So join me on my hike today and let's see what I talk about. I don't know. All right, thanks. Here's West Palm Beach. So a couple of fun things that I always like to point out when I'm walking. One, wear comfortable shoes that are not going to hurt your ankles or your feet. Number two, check out the views. This is kind of amazing. So three, protect yourself from the sun, because in Florida it is a beast. I have sunburned myself several times already since coming down here for a job. Why Detroit? Why? So the Detroit Tigers. I'm not necessarily a baseball fan. I mean, I'll watch a game, but at the same time, that's where I'm from. I'm from Detroit. Of course, anybody from Detroit understands that no one's really from Detroit except for people that are in Detroit. But for everyone who's not from Detroit, it's easier just to say Detroit. In reality, so I grew up in a town just north of Lansing, a small town with a lot of farms. And then I moved to Troy to finish high school, and then bounced around the state several times. And right now, currently in Holly, Michigan. But for everyone who's not from Michigan, Detroit is just the easiest way to say it. Otherwise, a couple other tricks from this is make sure that when you wear a day pack, make sure you cinch these things. These are the shoulder straps. When you do that, you're going to have good posture. You're going to save yourself a lot of pain in the back. I see a lot of people walking around with the straps like all the way loose, with the pack hanging and smacking themselves in the butt. And no, don't do that. Save yourselves the back. But okay, just gonna kind of keep walking and enjoying that view. So there it is. There's the ocean, way down there. Granted, way down there because this is a really wide-angle lens. Really, way down there is only about a city block. So, getting close. Oh, that water looks good from here. That looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, and hopefully, the beach is nice and clean. So. Yeah. Got the sandals and actually walk in the water. On a hot day, nothing beats quicker toes in the ocean. Yeah, rinsing the salt water and whatever's in the ocean off your feet, including all that sand before you put shoes back on, is like the smartest thing ever. So fortunately, the sun bakes the concrete. It's really warm, so your feet are dry in no time. But I think it's time to reapply some sunscreen. So add that to my tips. Please, as that song says, remember the sunscreen. encourage y'all to do that. I mean, this fountain alone. Oh, I'm surprised no one sits out here and reads books. I mean, there's a perfect spot right around the corner there. That is a perfect spot to have a seat and read a book. Park right there. Got 1 hour parking. Sit down, read a book, and go do your thing. That's amazing. And of course, these bushes are hibiscus. That one looks like it's going to open really soon. It's a beautiful water feature. I think the police station, which is, by the way, right there, I think the police station would not appreciate swimming in this water, but it does look nice enough to swim in. So that's kind of amazing. So, not done walking. My apartment's like on the other side of those buildings there. And of course, we've got some weather rolling up. In my day pack, got a raincoat. One of those ones that packs up really tiny. But I hope I don't have to get it out because it's at the bottom of everything. Yeah, sometimes it's just really beautiful. There's many days that I miss home. I miss home a lot. Being down here for work, I only get a chance to go home, you know, for 3-4 days a month. And to be honest, this place is very beautiful, but it's not home. And downpour. Oh, let me get my raincoat out. So rain came, rain went, and there was something I decided a while ago as I through this long walk. I was going to get myself an ice cream cone. So, Sloan's here in downtown. It's a guaranteed rip-off. Paid way too much for a couple scoops of ice cream and a waffle cone, but some days it's just enjoyable. Yep, that's a Lambo. Not my Lambo. I'm not one of those guys who would ever rent a Lambo and drive it around for the sake of YouTube fame. To be honest, there's two reasons. One, can't afford to do something like that at this point. And number two, this ain't fitting in no Lambo. Heck, I went to the North American Auto Show, not this past year, but the year before, and tried to sit in the new model of, oh, there he goes revving it. Let's see, his money is wisely spent. Speed limit down here is 15, and he's revving a Lambo. So, yeah, here I am back in the apartment. Really great hike today. Really enjoyed myself. Lots of adventure. About 8 miles walking according to my phone, so that was accurate. Did about 8 miles. 3 miles there, 3 miles back, and some walking in between. With that, it was a great day. Lots of adventure. Hopefully this video wasn't too long for you. I know I got a lot of little videos with it, but also I know I need to work on steadying my camera. Very shaky, and I'm working on it, I promise. So if you enjoyed it, if you liked riding along with me today, give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will talk to you later. Thanks.